Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to show you how to replace a seat switch in over 100 John Deere mowers and solve the problem of why your blades are shutting off and your mower's still running. Okay, so this is an easy fix here. Let's say you're driving along in your zero-turn mower or any of your John Deere mowers, and all of a sudden the blades shut off, but your mower's still running. And then they might run again for another 2 or 3 minutes or another hour, and then they might shut off again, but your blades are off, but your mower's still running. It's probably this little seat switch right here. This is just a little $13 item. This fits over 100 different John Deere models. And I'll give you the part number. Part number is AM103119. You can see it there. Okay, that's your part number. It's like a little $13 OEM part. It's just a little seat switch. And it's supposed to tell the mower, hey, this guy just come off the seat, so shut the blades off so he doesn't chop himself up. So that's what this switch does, is when you're sitting down, it presses down and it completes the circuit. It tells them you're on the seat. When you get off, it pops up, tells them that you're off the seat. And you cannot have your blades running when you're off the seat. It won't let you. So you don't want to bypass it or anything. It's a safety issue. For 13 bucks, you're just going to replace it. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Like I said, it fits over 100 John Deere models, so it's a pretty common part. Just, you may want to make sure when you go to your dealer, tell them what model that you have. But other than that, this should be the part. Okay, first thing you're going to do is unplug this wire that comes over there. Just pop that off there and see that's your plug right there. So once you plug that off, then you can take that switch out of there. Now on this one, we've already done it, but we had to cut this a little bit with a razor knife to get into that switch. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. See, on this mower, we haven't ever replaced this one, so we didn't have to cut it to slip it out. But that's what we do. You just cut that screen a little bit so you can end up slipping that out of there. Okay, so you're going to get in there after unplugging it. You're going to squeeze on those clips. That's going to undo it. And then you're going to slide your fingers down through that little screen area. And you're just going to use your thumb and pop that thing out of there. Okay, and here it is. Real easy. Okay, now this one's black, the other one's gray. But it's the same thing. And we're just going to put this one back in there for you because we know it's good. I'm just doing this for filming. So we're going to put this old one back in and show you how easy that is. Here's those little clips you're squeezing in on. See, you're going to squeeze in on that, squeeze in on that. And that's what I was talking about when I got squeeze in to release it. All right, so to put it back in, same thing. Just slip it down behind the screen there and pop that thing back in. It's kind of hard to see. And it should go right back into place. And then all you're going to do is plug in your wire. Just like that. Okay, so there was only a 5-minute procedure. You can get that thing in and out of there. And if it's not the seat switch, then you'll have it on hand for next time. At $13, it doesn't hurt to have a backup. But that's how you're going to get it. Now you want to go test drive it, and as long as your blades aren't shutting off on you, then you're going to be good to go. So there you go. Hopefully that solved your problem. And if you liked the video, hit the like button. And if you want to subscribe, we're going to have a ton more videos coming out. This is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service.